wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best bike repair kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, with a contactless crank extractor, a chain whip and a freewheel turner. The bikehand toolset is suitable for regular maintenance on a wide variety of cycles, including road and touring models. The parts aren't superb quality, but at this price it's hard to complain. The pieces are heat treated and it makes a good entry-level choice, but note that it's not for Shimano freewheels. At number 8, all the components of the Daway 835 bag stow away in a soft shell case that provides decent protection, but is also small enough to tote around in your pack or panniers. It even includes a portable tire pump and several different sized rubber patch for fixing flats. It includes a large Allen key set and a dog bone hex wrench. However, the pump isn't the best quality. Coming in at number 7 on our list. If you're looking for the basics in a package that's small and light enough to carry around in your pocket, the crankbrothers M19 multi-tool is it. This folding gadget boasts 19 attachments, including spoke wrenches in 4 sizes and a universal chain splitter. It comes in 5 colors with a stainless steel case, but it's not the most comprehensive option. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike repair kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the Deckey Multifunctional is a sprawling arsenal of all the tools you'd likely ever need to fix a bike or even build one from the ground up. Most of the pieces are high-grade carbon steel, so you don't have to worry about stripping or damaging any delicate parts. You get 48 components in total, including a tire pressure gauge. However, the overall quality is somewhat lacking. Moving up our list to number 5. Professional bike mechanics will love the Park Tool AK3 Advanced, an industrial set that has everything you need to repair, rebuild, or tear down a cycle. It'll make a great addition to the workshop, though if you're not a fanatic, it'll probably be out of your price range. It includes cleaning brushes and is also suitable for motorcycle repair. It all comes in a very sturdy storage box. At number 4, the Vibrelli V19 set is an economical choice that will allow you to do light maintenance and make emergency repairs, including patch a tire in the event of a flat. For anything beyond that, though, you'll likely need a more comprehensive collection. It is a military-grade construction with a lightweight and slim profile, and it's cheaper than similar multi-tools. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Pedro's Apprentice includes all the most important equipment needed for efficient repairs, including a pedal wrench and bottom bracket tools, without any unnecessary pieces. That means less clutter and an easier workflow. It comes with 22 tools in a hard plastic case with a foam lining. It's an extremely durable construction. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike repair kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, amateurs and serious cycling enthusiasts alike will find the ironarm Professional a godsend when it comes to doing routine maintenance or quick fixes. It includes some more rare pieces such as a freewheel tool, along with some must-haves like a cassette remover. It's great value for the price and comes with a well-organized case. It works with Shimano and SRAM parts. And coming in at number 1 on our list, offering the utility of a full kit with the portability of a multi-tool, the Topeak Survival Gearbox is an extremely versatile option that belongs in the backpack of any serious rider. It has all the essentials for fixing chains, spokes, tires, and many other parts. It features plastic levers and glueless patches, and a case that mounts to a seat post or a tube. It's a great choice for mountain bikers. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike repair kits, or simply click beneath this video.